Meghalaya Arts and Culture Minister Sanbor Shullai today said that he totally disagrees with the idea of giving 50 acres of land to the CRPF in the new Shillong township. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the officials of the department, Shullai, who is against the giving of land to the CRPF, said how can the state government give land to the CRPF when many of the offices of the different departments are functioning from rented houses.
Sector CRPF Stony Haven Bishop Cotton Road Shillong signed by Ram Sukhpal Singh DIG requesting the government to allot them 50 acre of land at New Township Shillong, New Shillong Township, free of cost. That I disagree. on the ground that there are various state departments who are still running their office on rental basis on somebody's building, where they have to pay to the building owner, to the building owners. So various departments also the aim and objective of the government for buying the land in Shillong Township is for this purpose, for construction of office and quarters of various departments. So I disagree with this 50 acres. So in the course of interaction and all, so we have come to the conclusion that five will allot only 5 acres. That also for both CRP and the Meghalaya State Police, 5 acres. Because there 2.86 acres we have allotted. So here we disagreed with 50 acres. We will not give 50 acres, only 3 acres will give to the CRP, plus 2 acres for the state police. So this will have to take up. This whatever we decide, we have to take up this matter with the Urban Affairs Department, MUDA. Then accordingly, once it is agreed, so we will officially allot this land to them under the state police.
Shullai also informed that the department prison is also interested to shift the jail from Shillong to New Shillong Township.
Jaka, bun department dekat Jaka bersama ki office la jong bagi quarter jogi staff. Te ki babun ki department hang tu pla i ki pan Jaka dalu ki bala alot. Te for example kumu minister bobat ya ke prison ke jail. Ya kan eru kana yesong meeting menakan kita yo bladem. Te kabut kabangala ya kan baru minister ru tekebut lamundi ngan yakan berbucu minister namentaka dan ruka proposal hakaba ngiru ilapan nakalia ka Department of Prisons kelapan jaka napo kemuda ban set up yaka central jail kenang bingilapan shift no yaka tega jail kaban hapo jail road kabalarong so congested tega dirap sibun ba yaka tega jaka kipat ba gila ben utilize hakaba ke government kalaban plan let's say di parking siapa fast floor kantan kata ngilai ekran ladang ngelayo jaka ngilapan kasak setang begini ale chasai barangin final chasai tadi juga tu ki correspondence borok ladan lot file juga prison department te sisin mengilayo jaka la senai jail mur jail pa ro kali stai kala kata kawai